This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Michael.reece. Location: great location near downtown Knoxville. Interstate access within a 5 minutes drive. Fully fenced in yard with parking in rear alley under your own gated carport. Basement workshop, screened in back porch perfect for entertaining or that first cup of coffee, detached garage and more. Plenty of storage space. Home is being sold as is. For more information, review the details below or contact Michael.reece at 865-687-1111.